Good afternoon, children. We will start today's work. For today's work, we need a drawing book, pencil, black gel pen, and an eraser and scale. Okay, children. First, what you have to write? You have to open a new page and start to do the border as well as 3 centimeter box. Once when you complete that one, we will start our drawing. Okay, children. Now start to do the border and 3 centimeter box. See, children, this is your page. Okay. First, you have to write today's date 17/08/2020 and write down the topic texture work. Children, you all of you know that you have to write index column also. In the index column, whatever work all these days we did, that all that works you have to write in the index column. With that, you have to write this also. Okay, children. Once when you finish the date and topic, you have to take a pencil and start to do the drawing. First, I will do the light drawing. If you can't see the drawing, you have to wait for 5 minutes. When I will do with the black color, that time you can see the drawing. Up to that time, you can observe the picture. Okay, children. See, children, here I did the pencil drawing. Now I will start to do the black outline for this. Now you can observe neatly how I will do. Okay. This is our drawing. After the drawing over, you can erase all the pencil lines. Okay. Then I will tell what are the texture work you have to use for here. Okay. First we will start to do the texture work for the stones. Okay. I will show here the curve texture work we did. That one we will do for the stones. Wherever the stones will be there, the small stones, that one you have to do with the curves texture work. Like this you have to do cover neatly. Okay, children. Now you can start for the stones. Move to the tree. For the tree, Once when you will complete the tree and the stones, we will move to the water. Water we will do the wavy lines with the shading. Okay, I will show how we should do. Just observe that. Like this you have to do the shade like a wavy line. Then start to shading with the pen. You can see the space. According to the space you have to do the curves or a line. Then you can do the shading for that. When you will complete the water, now here I will show the dot and brush etching work, how you should do. Okay, it will becomes like a dot only, but like this texture work you should do for the ground portion, this one and here. Okay children. After this, see children, now we will move to the mountain. Here in the mountain, you all of you know the 3 lines texture work. This one you have to do for this full. Okay, here you have to do 2 near like this. In this you can do little far also, because it is too front, so we are showing that one lightly. The back one we are doing dark. For that reason you have to do 2 near like this. Okay children. But here you can leave a gap. Okay, see the difference between here and here. Okay children, do here. Here no one is doing. Afterwards I will show what we have to do there. See children, here I did same type of a texture work but the different ways. Here I did two lengthy line, and here middle lengthy line, and here small lines. See the difference between. After that you can do here the two overlap line like this to show the difference between one mountain to another mountain. Okay, this much is enough. Then here like this. Okay, afterwards this one. Now here also like this you have to do here, like this you have to do here. Okay, now continue that. Once when you'll finish this upper portion, just like this lines, dotted line you have to do children. The same technique you should use here, here and for the cloud also. See children, once when we'll complete, our work will looks like this. If you want, you can take a black color sketch pen and do outline for the border. Only for the border you can use the black color sketch pen. At the last, our work will looks like this. Okay children, once when you will complete the work in your plain drawing book, please WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you children.